Hi, this is Ashutosh Dwivedi and you are most welcome guys on my YouTube channel Ashu Official 2021. So how are you feeling? And today I'm going to tell you some speaking tips and tricks. So just be ready and be patient for watching video till the end. So just firstly, I think before just let's get into video, I would like to do the request to you guys. Please like, comment and share my videos, and do subscribe my YouTube channel, so it will motivate me a lot to make a lot more stuff for your help to you guys, because I know very well if I'm gonna make the videos, it's gonna be helpful for me as well, and it's gonna be helpful for others as well. So I am here to tell you about the journey, how we can start. Like if we are in the beginning phase, from where we have to start. And this is the one of the biggest question when the people they want to start their journey. We have this question, from where and how we can start our journey. So I'm gonna tell you, if you are the one who is thinking about to start journey about speaking, so what you can do. This is the most frequent asked question, from where we have to start. So I'm going to tell you, if you are not able to understand the proper sound and you are not able to understand that much well about the English speaking. So just today I will tell you one important and main, I can say that really good YouTube channel. That is, I think you can guess as well, but okay, I think maybe a lot more people they already subscribed it. And if you subscribed, so please give me the comment and tell this, like how many people they are already knowing about this channel and they are already subscriber of that channel. And if you don't know, so please do subscribe, it will help you a lot. So today I'm going to tell you the one channel, that is the name of English Speeches with Subtitles. Again, English Speeches with Subtitles. There are more than 235 videos, I think so, and there is a classification about British speeches, American speeches and South Asian speeches as well. So it's up to you which kind of classification and this kind of category at the playlist you would like to choose, and you can explore, because the most important and the positive thing about that YouTube channel is all the speeches are available with subtitles, and the big subtitles. If you're not able to understand, just in the beginning, you can try to understand, you can try your level best to understand that whatever they are saying. But if you, after that also, if you are getting problems, you can do read, because they are just writing and maintaining this kind of subtitles very well. And I'm quite impressed from that channel, because when I started my journey, I wasn't able to understand properly to Americans and that kind of people. So whenever I was getting trouble, at the time I was using and I was listening that I was listening and I was reading sometimes if I was getting stuck. So you can do the same. I will suggest you to go forward with this kind of subtitles for a few months, like 1 month and 1.5 months also you can do follow. Because if you will follow this always, I think you are gonna be dependent on the subtitles, and after that you will not listen this, only you will just read that stuff. And by reading you can't learn speaking actually. By speaking, by listening, I can say that you can learn the better communication skills about any language. Here we are talking about English, so we have to listen stuff in English, and this is must for us. This is kind of a compulsory thing. So that is all about, I told you again, and I'm gonna tell the name of that YouTube channel is English Speeches with Subtitles. And after that I will give you that link in the description below, and just you can do subscribe and you can do follow. I think just don't only after subscribing maybe you're not gonna watch videos. So don't do this, please watch videos as well, and it will help you a lot. If you are in the beginning stage, you aren't understanding anything, so from the beginning of the 15 days 30 days, you at least you can listen a one speech per day. So it will help you a lot. After that you can just you can use another channels. I will tell you another channels as well, where you can listen the things without subtitles, because after 30 or 45 days you have to listen the things without subtitles. Because if you are gonna listen this kind of things always with the subtitles, this will not help you, and you will be habitual to read that stuff I think, rather than just listening and understanding. So this is the thing you have to do, and I think I'm really happy to tell you guys about this kind of tips. And in the last, I would like to say again, if you are liking this kind of videos and this kind of tips and tricks and advices and suggestions, so please do subscribe my YouTube channel. It will help me a lot, and after that I will come up with a lot more videos like this, because I have a lot more plans for you guys, and I want to do a lot, man. Thousands of the videos I want to make for you guys to help to the people who are really struggling in their beginning phase and they haven't any idea where to start and how to start. So this is all about my plans. I do have a lot more plans, so be, I think, supporting. If you will support you guys, I'm sure that I'm gonna do, I think, a lot more things for you guys. So be helping, and thank you so much in the last, and all the best and best of luck for your journey, and thank you and bye bye, take care in the last.